Welcome back, Tiny Tail.
Can you name 50 animals from easy to hard? Give it your best shot. Before starting, hit the subscribe button.
You got this. It's the easy level. Let's get started. It's a dog. A cat. Next. Got this. Cow. Let's go. Horse. A sheep. A rooster? Do you recognize this animal? Pig. A goose. Let's see if you can crack this one. Duck. Rat. It's a hamster. A rabbit. Ferret. Turtle. Next animal. Great white shark. It's a dolphin. Here we go for the medium level. Yes, peacock. Bear. Chimpanzee. It's an elephant. It's a lion. It's a tiger. Leopard. Cheetah. Killer whale. Any ideas? Iguana. Chameleon. Kangaroo. It's koala. Ostrich. Penguin. It's EMU. This is the hard level. Time to shine. Lemur. It's a hyena. What is it? Deer. Next. It's an elk. Marmot. What is it? It's a bison. An orangutan. It's a sloth. It's not a Pokemon, it's an armadillo. On to the next one. Baboon. Squirrel. Raccoon. Next animal. Badger. Opossum. It's a tarantula. Next. Coyote. Next animal. Lynx. Do you recognize this animal? Komodo dragon.